In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive offline. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to download a file from your OneDrive so you can open and work on it without an internet connection. This is perfect for flights, commutes, or anywhere your connection is spotty. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Microsoft OneDrive website. On the homepage, choose Sign In. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and complete any verification prompts if asked. Make sure you're signing into the account that actually holds the files you want, whether that's a personal account or a work or school account. Once you're in, you'll land on your OneDrive dashboard. Navigate to My Files. Depending on your layout, your files may appear as tiles or in a list. Either view works. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find a file by name or type. Filters like documents can help narrow things down. Next, browse to the folder that contains the file you want to use offline. If your files are organized into folders, click through them until you reach the right location. If the file is in a shared folder, you'll still be able to download it as long as you have permission. When you've located the file, select it. In our example, that's a document called introduction.docx. Selecting it may open a preview. That's fine. Our goal is to save a local copy so it's available even when you're offline. Look for the download option in the toolbar. On some screens, you might find it under a 3-dot More menu. You can also right-click the file name and choose Download from the context menu. Your browser will begin saving the file to your default downloads folder unless you've set it to ask each time. If prompted, choose a clear location you'll remember, like a project folder on your desktop. On macOS and Windows alike, you can rename the file during save as if you want to keep track of versions. After the download completes, you're ready to work offline. Open the file with a compatible app, such as Microsoft Word or another editor that supports the file type. Make your changes and save locally. When you're back online, return to OneDrive in your browser and upload the updated file to the same folder. If you're replacing an existing file, confirm the replacement or upload it with a new name if you want to keep both versions. That's it. You've downloaded your OneDrive file for offline use and know how to bring your changes back when you reconnect.